A popular social media post claims that mobile phones, TVs, and refrigerators have become cheaper due to the Government of India reducing their GST rates from 31.3% to 18%. GST laws were implemented in India on 1st July 2017. The Indian GST system categorizes goods and services into different tax slabs, including 5%, 12%, 18%, and a maximum of 28%, as opposed to the 31.3% mentioned in the viral post. To commemorate the 6th anniversary of the implementation of GST, a GST Day event was celebrated in Delhi on 1st July 2023. Addressing the gathering, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman highlighted the advantages of GST for the people of India by comparing the taxation on various goods before and after the introduction of GST. The Ministry of Finance's official Twitter handle shared the same information earlier, but did not explicitly refer to it as a comparison of the tax rates in the pre and post GST periods. Instead, they used the terms earlier and now. This terminology led social media users to believe that the government reduced GST rates on the goods mentioned in the post. Based on the tweet, media outlets like Zee News, ABP Live, News 18, Jagran, and India TV published articles claiming that the government had indeed lowered the GST rates on these items. However, the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, or CBIC, addressed the confusion through its official Twitter handle. They posted the tax rates on various household items before and after the implementation of GST, providing clear information. It is important to note that the GST Council has not made any official announcement regarding the revision of tax rates on the mentioned household items recently. The tax rates that were fixed on 1st April 2023 remain unchanged to date. According to the CBIC website, the current GST rates for mobile phones, televisions below 32 inches, and refrigerators are 18%. The last revision of these rates occurred in 2020 for mobile phones from 12 to 18%, and in 2018 for refrigerators and televisions up to 32 inches from 28% to 18%. And so, as the Government of India has not reduced the GST rates charged on TVs, mobile phones, and refrigerators recently, this post is misleading. Join our YouTube membership program and be a part of the journey of making public data meaningful. And remember, before you hit that forward button, pause.